y'all, I am back. I have been gone for a minute, but it's because I wanted to wait until I got to 250 subscribers. That was my goal. But as you all see, I have already sewed down her closure and laid down her cap. I'm going on ahead and cleaning her forehead with 91% alcohol. I burned my finger. If y'all see me keep looking at my finger, because that 91% alcohol don't play on them sores. Woo! But as you all see, we're going to go ahead and use our ghost bun and do 3 layers. Make sure you blow dry each layer before you add another. So now I am laying that lace down onto the glue, and I'm combing it in on both sides, and I'm going to get my blow dryer and blow it all in to melt everything. So now I am getting my scissors and I'm cutting a split in the lace, and I'm going to get my eyebrow razor to cut off each side. Then I'm going to get a little glue and I'm going to get any spot that I missed that's still lifting. Y'all, if you like frontals but you don't feel like you can take care of them, the closure look that looks like a frontal is the best option to me. Because I know I can't take care of no frontal. Maybe one day I'll learn, but I'll do the closure frontal look before I do the frontal. So now we're going to part out some baby hairs and we're going to cut them a little shorter just to give the best look. Then I'm going to use some of the She Is Bomb goo for the baby hairs. This stuff works miracles. It dries super quick and I would definitely recommend it. And as you see, I parted down the middle to pull up some hairs that weren't needed, and I'm hand plucking them out for a better looking part. Then I'm going to get some of my Nairobi mousse and lay it on each baby hair in the front of the lace. And I'm going to tie it down with my wrap strip. I'm going to proceed with sewing in the bundles off camera. One day I'll show me sewing in the bundles, but I feel like everybody, well, mostly everybody kind of has that down pat. Everyone just wants to learn how to melt lace. So I just stick to the lace. Now I'm going to proceed with flattening everything out and wetting her hair. So yeah, you'll see the final look in a minute. Y'all, this install was so beautiful. Like, everything turned out how I wanted it to. It was perfect. I hate taking off this wrap strip because it always sticks to the baby hairs from the glue that I use, but I am trying new methods so I can fix that. But when taking off the wrap strip on the baby hairs, they may be a little white. Just get a little oil sheen and just rub it on the baby hairs. Do not rub it on the lace because it will lift it. Make sure you just rub it on the baby hairs. Also, with my darker tone girls, I like to go back with a slightly darker color and go back over the lace so they won't have any white flashbacks or ashy flashbacks. Her lace was so melted. Like, look at that. Look at that melt. Oh my god. It was beautiful. But this is the finished look. I hope you all are enjoying my videos. I hope I am satisfying you. Of course, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all later.